Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between manufacturing and production. Manufacturing and production are the two terms related to conversion of raw materials into finished products. Manufacturing is the process of transforming raw materials into ready goods with the help of machinery. On the other hand, production alludes to the processes or methods that converts inputs like raw material or semi-finished goods to make finished product or services, which may or may not use machinery. So, let's look into the basic differences between manufacturing and production in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The process of producing merchandise by using resources like labor, machines, tools, raw materials, chemicals and others is known as a manufacturing, whereas production is a process of making something used for consumption by combining various resources. Number 2. Manufacturing is a process in which raw material is used to generate output, whereas production is a process of converting inputs into outputs. Number 3. Man-machine setup should be there for manufacturing of goods, which is not in the case of production, because man is only sufficient for producing output. Number 4. In manufacturing, the output generated will be tangible in nature, but in the case of production it produces both tangible and intangible outputs. Number 5. In manufacturing, the output generated will be goods only, but in the case of production it produces goods as well as services. And difference number 6. Manufacturing consists of the generation of all those goods that are suitable for use or it can be sold out. Conversely, production involves the creation of the utility,